students. So today we continue with exercise 5.2 by applying the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, and I have taken question number 2 of 5.2. Find the 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4. Now it is clear that the given pattern is an AP, no need to check it. What is here? A 10. How to find D? A2 minus A1, that is minus 3, and 30th term means number of terms is 30. So I want to find A30 using the formula A plus n minus 1 into t, that is A, n is 30, 30 minus 1 into d. So I have A 10, 30 minus 1 and d is minus 3. D is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So it becomes 10 plus 29 minus 3. While simplification we use BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Sometimes you can do wrong, 10 plus 29, 39 into minus 3. It is wrong. What will be the correct? First do multiplication and then addition. 10 and plus minus minus 87 and 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So in this way we are able to find any unknown term of the AP without wasting the time. So next question 3, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Read the question. Which term of the AP is 78? Here A is 3, D is A2 minus A1 5, 78 is here nth term. I want to find which term of the AP is 78. So again applying the formula an a plus n minus 1 into d, putting the values, and we need to find out an 78, a is 3, n is unknown and d is 5. First we shift a on this side. Now we have 75 and these two are in multiplication, it will be divided. N minus 1 is 15 and n will be 16. So A 16 is here 78. Is this 16 term?
1.
Find question number 3. Again, find the missing term of the AP. How to read this question? It is already an AP. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Second and fourth term are given. I want to find first and third term. So A2 will be written as A plus D. This is 13. And A4 is A plus 3D. It is 3. So first step is clear. Second term A2 written by A plus D. This is 13. Fourth term A plus 3D. It is 3. If we use elimination method as we done in chapter 3, so A is cancelled, minus 2D is 13 minus 3, 10, D is minus 5 and A plus D is 13, A minus 5 is 13, A is 18. So this is an AP in decreasing order whose first term is 18 and common difference is minus 5, 18 minus 5, 13, 13 minus 5, 8 and 8 minus 5, 3. So if we know any two terms of the AP, by using the formula we can find the other unknown terms. Let's take the third part. First term is 5, second, third and fourth. Fourth term A plus 3D, this is 19 by 2. If we put A as 5, so 3D is 19 by 2 minus 5, it will be 9 by 2, and D is 3 by 2. So by adding 3 by 2, we can find the next term. 5 plus 3 by 2, it will be 13 by 2. 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2, it will be 16 by 2. And next we have 9 and 2, 18 and 1, 19 by 2. So in this way we can find the remaining terms. Let's take the fifth part. Here A2 is A plus D, 38, 3, 4, 5, 6. A6 is A plus 5D minus 22. Again use elimination by changing the sign. Minus 4D is 60 and D is minus 50. A plus D 38. So A will be 53. Now first term 53. 53 minus 15, 38. 38 minus 15, 23. 23 minus 15, 8. 8 minus 15, minus 7. So we can find the remaining terms of the AP. Question number 5. Find the number of terms of the AP 18, 15 and half, 13 and minus 47. What we need to find in this question? Number of terms means n. What is A here? 18. D is A2 minus A1, that is 31 by 2 minus 18. So it will be minus 5 by 2. And AN is minus 47. Now using the formula AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 18, N unknown, and D is minus 5 by 2. Now simplification is here to shift A on this side. And this is to be divided N minus 1. Minus minus cancelled. Sorry, it's not cancelled. Minus 65 and division will be changed into multiplication. So N minus 1 is 26 and N is 27. So minus 65 divided by minus 5 by 2. When it is multiplied, it becomes 2 by minus 5, 13, and 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27. So this is the 27th term of the AP. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Question number 6. A is 11, D is minus 3, AN is minus 150. I have to check minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. AN is minus 150, A11, and D is minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 divided by minus 161 by minus 3. So minus cancelled, 161 by 3 plus 1. Now n is in fraction. If n is in fraction, it can't be any term of the AP. It means minus 150 is not any term of the AP. For any term of the AP, it should not be in fraction. So this was all about today, and you will try up to question number 10. Thank you.